Thank you for purchasing Ingenuity's washable play yard. Giving your baby's play yard a machine-washed clean has never been easier. Instructions for assembly of the play yard. Unwrap the mattress from the play yard and set it aside. Stand the play yard upright on its feet with center hub raised. Pull up on the top rail on each side of the play yard until you hear a click. Push downward on the center hub of the floor. Tip: if the top rail does not lock into place, pull the center hub of the floor higher and try again. Rails will not lock properly if the center hub is completely flat. Tip: lifting up one end of the play yard while pushing downward on the center of the floor will make locking easier. Please note, when you disassemble your play yard, the center hub being raised will be vital. We will cover disassembly in detail later in this video. Lay the mattress on the bassinet with the soft side facing upward. Secure the mattress by pressing down on each corner to engage the hook and loop tape underneath. Caution: be sure that the play yard setup is complete before use. Confirm that all 4 top rails are locked into a rigid horizontal position before you place baby in the play yard. Adding your play yard's accessories: changing table, dream center. Dream center assembly. Slip the dream center fabric onto the rectangular frame. Tip: make sure the dream center mattress insert has already been inserted into the fabric sleeve, which is the bottom of the dream center. Wrap the fabric around the frame on all sides. Locate the fabric opening and make sure this opening aligns with the tubes where the dream center will attach to the play yard frame. Fasten the 4 buckles on the bottom of the dream center around the frame to secure the fabric. Locate the fabric openings on the small ends and install 2 L-shaped tubes. Be sure to insert the tube through the opening provided in the fabric and not under the buckle. Locate the fabric opening at the top of the legs of the play yard to reveal receiver ends and insert dream center tubes into legs and push down. Install the toy bar or canopy over the dream center by pushing the clips down onto the frame. Changing table assembly. Rotate the changing table so that the clamps and labels are facing upward and place it on a flat surface. At the small ends, locate the tubes and slide one frame tube into the other to connect the 2 halves of the frame. Pull the fabric flaps over the exposed frame and fasten using the hook and loop tape. Repeat for both ends of the changing table. Pivot all 4 clamps so they are pointing downward. Align the 4 clamps with the guides on the play yard rails. Starting with the clamps on the short end of the play yard, push each clamp fully onto the center portion of each guide until you hear a click. Slip the cover sheet onto the changing table. To store the changing table, lift the short ends from the side rails of the play yard to disengage the 2 corner clamps. Pivot the table over the side of the play yard into the storage position. Do not store the changing table inside the play yard. This video should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual. Please refer to your instruction manual for additional important information. Ingenuity, designed with parenthood in mind.